So, this is one very good way to boost your vocabulary. Let's dive into the lesson and see how things work. Instead of saying very calm, say serene, जिसका मतलब है पुरसुकून. Instead of saying very ugly, say hideous, जिसका मतलब है होलनाक. Instead of saying funny, say hilarious, जिसका मतलब है मज़ाहिया. Instead of saying very rich, say wealthy, मालदार. Instead of saying very expensive, say costly, जिसका मतलब है महंगा. Instead of saying very dirty, say filthy, जिसका मतलब है गलीस. Instead of saying very tall, say towering, सरबा फलक, बहुत ऊंचा. Instead of saying very easy, say effortless, आसान तरीन, बेसाख्ता. Instead of saying very slow, say sluggish, जिसका मतलब है सुस्त. Instead of saying very good, say excellent, शानदार, बेहतरीन. Instead of saying very happy, say ecstatic, बेखुद. Instead of saying very weak, say frail, नाजुक, नापायदार. Instead of saying very little, say tiny, ज़रा सा, नन्हा. Instead of saying very bright, say luminous, रोशन, तबिंदा. Instead of saying very careful, say cautious, muhtat, chukanna. Instead of saying very clear, say obvious, वाज़े. Instead of saying very confused, say perplexed, mustarab, वो मतहय्यर. Instead of saying very creative, say innovative, जिसका मतलब है इख्तराई या तहलीकात से भरपूर. Instead of saying very crowded, say bustling,